And you don't have to write this down, you can just follow along. We have e to the x, number e. You might remember what that approximately equals. Did that worksheet on it? 2.718. So again, you want to get everything on the one side of the equation, so I'm just going to subtract this and move it to the left. Okay, so I get that. That's when I'm going to type it to my calculator, namely e to the x plus 1 minus 2 to the x plus 1. When I type it in, I get a weird looking graph. Now here's what I want you guys to notice about this one, and I'll pull up the app in a second. It actually crosses twice. So some of these have two solutions. Okay? So let's pull up the app and see what we get. Okay, here's our graph. I'm going to zoom in a little bit if I can. I don't know if I can or not. There we go. It kind of stretches out when you zoom. There we go. Now, this one, for some reason, did not put a point here on the graph. So if I click on it, though, it tells me what it is, 1.724. The other one actually crosses at 0. So you have two solutions, at 0 and at 1.724. And the purpose of this example is just to show that sometimes you get two answers. So there they are. So those are going to be your x values.